ice cream, JOAYO. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is JOAYO. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about the word JOAYO. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 154. JOAYO. JOAYO. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is jo with an H, followed by an A, followed by ayo. Pronounce it with me. JOAYO. The meaning of the word JOAYO is I like it or it's good. So when I say JOAYO, it means I like it or it's good. How do we write JOAYO in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable jo, we need to draw first a jiut character, followed by an o character, followed by a hiut character. Don't forget that it has a hiut character on its third position. The second syllable is a. To be able to write this in Hangul, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyang, followed by an a character. For the third syllable, yo, we need to draw first another iyang character, followed by a yo character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these syllables to form the Hangul of the word JOAYO. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word JOAYO, let's try to look into this example sentence. It says, I like ice cream. The Korean translation of this sentence is ice cream JOAYO. Again, it's ice cream JOAYO. The first part of the sentence is ice cream. And this is just the same ice cream we have in English, which is the sweet and cold dessert. But take note that they have naturalized or they have adopted the word ice cream itself. But they somehow have a different way of saying it. Instead of saying ice cream, they say ice cream. The second part of the sentence is JOAYO. And since this is our word for today, we already know that it means I like it or it's good. So if these two parts are combined, it would result to a sentence that means I like ice cream or ice cream is good. Looking back to this, if we use this as a question, it's the same as asking, do you like ice cream? But then if we use this as a declarative sentence, it would mean I like ice cream. And with that, you've just learned JOAYO. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 144 to 153. But don't forget our word for today, word number 154, JOAYO. It means I like it or it's good. Word number 153 is 몰라요, and it means I don't know. Word number 152 is 알아요. It means I know. Word number 151 is 아마도, which is used to say maybe. This can also be used to say it's likely. Word number 150 is 잘 가요, and this is used to say goodbye or go well. Word number 149 is 한 번, and it means once. Word number 148 is sarang, and this is the Korean noun for love. Word number 147 is ajoma, and this is the Korean noun for an old woman. Word number 146 is ajusi, and this is the Korean noun for an old man. Word number 146 is imo, and this is the Korean noun for aunt. And the last for our review, word number 144, samchon. And this is the Korean noun for uncle. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.